of acquiescence is based on Somalia's alleged acceptance of a maritime boundary at the parallel latitude, in particular through its prolonged absence of protests. The Court addresses this argument of Kenya, bearing in mind the conclusion just mentioned. It notes in particular that in the years immediately following Kenya's 1979 proclamation, the parties engaged in discussions on a variety of issues relating to their bilateral relations, such as trade and exploitation of marine resources. However, there is no indication that Somalia accepted Kenya's claim to a boundary along a parallel of latitude during that period. In this regard, Kenya has submitted minutes of a meeting held between the vice presidents of the two states on 6 May 1980. But these minutes make no mention of any discussion of the parties' maritime boundaries or the 1979 proclamation. The same is true of other evidence submitted by Kenya in relation to meetings held by the parties in 1981. Until 1989, Somalia did not claim an exclusive economic zone or define its continental shelf. Shortly before ratifying UNCLOS, Somalia adopted the Maritime Law of 1988, approved by Law No. 5 on 26 January 1989. The Maritime Law does not refer to the delimitation of either the exclusive economic zone or the continental shelf. Article 4 defines Somalia's territorial sea as extending to 12 nautical miles and addresses the issue of its delimitation with Kenya, providing in the relevant part of paragraph 6, I quote, "If there is no multilateral